Dear student, good afternoon to all. We are in the position end of the metallurgical lesson. Metallurgy lesson, we are at the end of the metallurgical lesson. Now we are going to see about the applications of few metals. Okay. The applications are based on their physical and chemical properties. For example, weight, density, color, and then lustrous, those physical properties, and likewise in a chemical property, reactivity towards the air, water, like this. Those properties are reasoning for the applications of each and every metal. Each and every metal will have a different type of applications based on their property. And also their alloys are used for more uses other than that of the metal. So we have a few metals, a list of the few metals in this lesson to discuss. Aluminium, iron, copper, gold, zinc. These are the few metals which are given in your book that we are going to discuss now. Okay, let us see one by one. First, let us start with the aluminium. Applications of metals. Applications of aluminium first we are going to see. Aluminium is the most abundant metal and is a good conductor of electricity and heat. It also resists corrosion. The following are some of its applications. Many heat exchangers, sinks and our day-to-day cooking vessels are made of aluminium. It is used as wraps, aluminum foils, and it is used as a packing materials for food items. Aluminum is not very strong. However, its alloys with copper, manganese, magnesium, and silicon are lightweight and strong, and they are used in a design of aeroplane and other forms of transport. As aluminium shows high resistance to corrosion, it is used in the design of chemical reactors, medical equipments, refrigeration units, and gas pipelines. Aluminium is a good electrical conductor and cheap, hence it is used in electrical overhead electric cables with a steel core for strength. Then let us move on to the applications of zinc. Metallic zinc is used in galvanizing metals such as iron and steel structures to protect them from rusting and corrosion. Zinc is used to produce die casting in the automobile, electrical and hardware industry. Die casting is nothing but a remolding, melting the metal and producing that. That is die casting. Zinc oxide is used in the manufacture of many products such as paints, rubber, cosmetics, pharmaceutical, plastics, inks, battery, textiles and electrical equipments. Zinc sulfide is used in making luminous paints, fluorescent lights and X-ray screen. Brass, an alloy of zinc, is used in water valves and communication equipment as it is highly resistant to corrosion. Then let us see the application of iron. Iron is one of the most useful metal and its alloys are used everywhere including bridges, electricity pylons, bicycle chain, cutting tools and rifle barrels. Cast iron is used to make pipes, valves and pumps, stoves, etc. Magnets can be made from iron and its alloys and compounds. An important alloy of iron is stainless steel and it is very resistant to corrosion. It is used in the architecture, bearing, cutlery, surgical instrument and jewelry. Nickel steel is used for making cables, automobiles and aeroplane parts. Chrome steels are used for manufacturing cutting tools and crushing machines. Then let us see the applications of copper. Copper is the first metal used by the human and the extended use of its alloy bronze resulted in a new era, Bronze Age. Copper is used for making coins and ornaments along with gold and other metals. Copper and its alloys are used for making wires, water pipes and other electrical parts. Then they need to see the applications of gold. Gold, one of the expensive precious metals. It is used for coinage and has been used standard for a monetary system in some countries. Okay, based on the gold only our economic studies are there. Okay, it is used extensively in a jewelry and in its alloy form with the copper. It is also used in the electroplating to cover other metal with thin layer of gold, which are used in watches, artificial limb, joint, cheap jewelries, dental fillings, and electrical connectors. Gold nanoparticles are used for the increasing the efficiency of solar cell and also as a catalyst.